Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Ecomposer, a powerful page builder for Shopify. With Ecomposer, you can easily design and customize stunning pages without needing to code. I'll guide you through setting it up and using its feature. So let's get started. First, you need to install Ecomposer in Shopify. Here's how. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps on the left-hand sidebar and then search for Ecomposer. If you haven't already installed it yet, you'll follow some instructions. It's easy to do, and you'll install it successfully. Once Ecomposer is installed, you can start using it to build your pages. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps again, then select Ecomposer from the list. When Ecomposer opens, you'll see a user-friendly interface where you can choose to create a new page or customize an existing one. Click on Create New Page to get started with designing your page from scratch, or select pre-designed template for a quick start. Ecomposer gives you a lot of flexibility when it comes to designing your page. Here's how to use its feature. On the left-hand sidebar, you see a list of elements you can add to your page, such as text, blocks, images, sliders, videos, and product grids. Simply drag and drop these elements into your page, just like this. Select and drag. Drag in the plus button here, and you can customize each element by clicking on it. For example, you can change fonts, colors, spacing, and background images. You can also rearrange sections by dragging them into the order you want. Just like this. Ecomposer's live preview lets you see your changes in real time. One of the greatest features of Ecomposer is that you can easily switch between desktop and mobile views and tablet to ensure your page looks great on all devices. At the top of the page editor, click the mobile icon to switch to mobile view, just like this. You can switch to tablet or to desktop. You can also adjust the layout and elements if necessary, so everything looks perfect on mobile devices or tablets or desktop. You can switch back to desktop view by clicking the desktop icon to continue editing the page. After you finish customizing your page, click Save in the top right corner to save your work. Once saved, you can either publish your page immediately by clicking Publish here, or schedule it for later. If it's a landing page, you can link it to your store's menu or include it in your marketing campaigns. And that's it. You've learned how to use Ecomposer to build and customize pages in Shopify. This tool makes it easy to create professional, high-conversion pages without coding. So, if this video helped you, you can leave a like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions, leave them below the video in the comment sections. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.